cheesy broccoli and bacon bake. To start, heat a medium saucepan over medium-high heat. Add the bacon and cook stirring for 3 minutes or until golden brown. Use a slotted spoon to transfer the bacon to a plate. Reduce the heat to medium and add the butter to the pan. Cook until the butter melts and is bubbling. Add the flour and cook stirring for 1 minute until the mixture is grainy. Add the milk and cook stirring with a balloon whisk until the mixture is smooth. Continue cooking, stirring constantly with a wooden spoon for 2 to 3 minutes until the mixture boils and thickens. Remove from the heat and add the parmesan and half a cup of cheddar and stir to combine. Season with salt and pepper. Next, preheat a grill on high. Then cook the broccoli in a large saucepan of boiling water for 3 to 4 minutes or until tender. Drain well. Place the broccoli in a baking dish. Pour over the cheese sauce and sprinkle evenly with bacon. Top with the remaining cheddar. Pop onto the grill and cook for 4 to 5 minutes or until golden brown. Season with salt and pepper. This cheesy broccoli and bacon bake makes a mouth-watering side.